Welcome back to Auto Motors, your trusted channel for the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers and automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic commuter bikes in India, the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus. A symbol of reliability and efficiency, the new model brings subtle yet impactful upgrades while staying true to its legacy. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus retains its classic silhouette but adds a modern twist with fresh graphics and new dual-tone color options. The overall styling remains simple and purposeful, which appeals to its loyal user base. The chrome-finished exhaust and blacked-out engine parts add a refined touch to the design. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 model continues with the trusted 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Tuned with Hero's i3S technology for better fuel efficiency, it produces around 7.9 brake horsepower and 8.05 Nm of torque. The bike offers a smooth ride with its 4-speed gearbox, making it ideal for daily city commutes and short-distance travels. Features and technology. Hero has introduced a few practical enhancements in this update. The Splendor Plus now comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster in higher variants, featuring real-time mileage indicators and service reminders. The i3S start-stop system is standard, contributing to improved fuel savings, especially in traffic conditions. Ride quality and comfort. With its upright seating posture, cushioned seat, and soft suspension setup, the Splendor Plus offers exceptional comfort for long city rides. The telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers handle uneven roads with ease, ensuring a balanced and stable ride even with a pillion. Mileage and pricing. Fuel efficiency remains the bike's biggest highlight. Users can expect real-world mileage of around 65 to 70 kmpl, depending on riding habits. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus is priced competitively, starting at approximately 75,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom, making it one of the most value-for-money options in the commuter segment. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus proves once again why it continues to dominate Indian roads. With minor but meaningful updates, it stays relevant for budget-conscious buyers looking for reliability, low maintenance, and excellent mileage. Stay tuned to Auto Motors for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.